Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today, in short, we will revise whatever we have done in chapter 3. So, let's start with first definition, that is factor. A number which divides a given number exactly is called an exact divisor or factor of that number. For example, 3 divides 15 exactly means remainder is 0. So, 3 is a factor of 15. Also, the quotient, that is 5, is also a factor of 15. Important points: 1 is a factor of every number. Second point, every number is a factor of itself. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. The last point is factors are finite in number. Next is multiples. Multiple means the multiples of a number are formed by multiplying it with other numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. For example, if we multiply 8 with 1, answer is 8. So 8 is first multiple of 8. If we multiply it with 2, that is 16. 8 2s are 16. So 16 is second multiple of 8. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. The multiples of a given number are infinite in number. Every number is a multiple of itself. Here I have written first 10 multiples of 8. Next is prime and composite numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? The numbers having exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. are prime numbers. Next is composite numbers. The numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, etc. Note, the number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next definition is even number. A number which is a multiple of 2 is called an even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Or we can say a number with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the units place is an even number. For example, 468, 2994 are even numbers. Next is odd numbers. A number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or a number with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the units place is an odd number. For example, 763, 461. Next point is 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. Every prime number except 2 is odd. Next is divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Number 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Number 4, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Number 5, a number is divisible by 5 if last digit is 0 or 5. Next is 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, means if it is an even number and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Next is 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Next number is 9. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 9, for example, 729, sum of digits 18, 18 is divisible by 9, So 729 is divisible by 9. Last number is 10. If the last digit of a number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 10. Next is divisibility by 11. We'll see the digits at odd places. We will add them, sum of digits at odd places. Then we'll find the sum of digits at even places. Then we will find the difference of both the sums. If the difference is 0, 11 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 11. Next is common factors. The factors which are factors of each of the given numbers are called their common factors. Common multiples. The multiples which are the multiples of each of the given numbers are called their common multiples. Co-prime numbers. The numbers are said to be co-prime if they have 1 as the only common factor. For example, 8 and 15 are co-prime numbers because their common factor is 1. Prime factorization. Factorization means a number when expressed as a product of its factors is said to be factorized. Prime factorization. In prime factorization, only prime factors are taken. It is unique and ultimate factorization of a given number. Factor tree method for prime factorization. Expressing a given number as a product of prime numbers. Rules for finding factors using factor tree method are: divide with the smallest prime number, that is 2. If the quotient is not divisible by 2, then move to the next prime number, that is 3, and so on. We go on factorizing the number till we get all the prime factors. Next is HCF, highest common factor. We can find highest common factor by writing all the factors, by prime factorization, and the last one is by long division method. So you will revise all the work done today and tomorrow come well prepared. Thank you.